Firmware Extraction, Analysis, and Security Assessment Toolkit, FEAST. A product by National Cybersecurity Auditing and Evaluation Lab, NCESAIL, NUST. Paradigm shift to smart industries, smart cities, smart transport, smart grids, smart logistics, smart farming, smart hospitals, smart manufacturing, smart warehouses. Emerging technologies of this era. The growth in smart homes is expected to create demand for routers. Due to 100 megabits per second FTTH broadband, online 4K videos, 4G/LTE/5G, IoT. The idea of user experience first, and SDN and NFW, routers are undergoing continuous evolution. Attractive opportunities in network devices market. The global network devices market is estimated to be valued at $36.4 billion by 2027, recording a CAGR of 6.6%. The rising demand by smart manufacturing technologies due to the rapid expansion of end-user industries is primarily responsible for the global market growth. The growth of smart manufacturing market can be attributed to the increasing emphasis on real-time data analysis and predictive maintenance to boost the adoption of smart manufacturing. The smart manufacturing market in APAC is expected to grow at the highest CAGR of 20% during the forecast period. Partnerships and the provision of a wide application range for smart manufacturing technologies would offer lucrative opportunities for market players in the next 5 years. APAC is expected to hold the highest market share across the world throughout the forecast period. What is firmware? It is piece of code embedded in the device which provides instructions for how the device works. Firmware is often invisible to the user. Device manufacturers haven't historically provided enough firmware security. Firmware attacks provide hackers with multiple opportunities. Firmware offers ultimate device control. Here is some recent news on networking device flaws. Our assets are at risk. FEAST provides vulnerability analysis of your device. Functionalities and features are firmware binary extraction, enhanced file system unpacking support, binary decryption, unpacking, and analysis of encrypted firmware images. Deobfuscation of obfuscated firmware magic headers. Unique firmware unpacking and analysis. Known vulnerabilities identification. Cryptographic analysis. Code analysis of unpacked firmware files/executable. Disclosure of hard-coded IPs, passwords, hidden backdoor, email addresses, and URLs. Static memory allocations, buffer overflow bugs, bad coding practices, and obsolete functions. Execution paths of suspicious shell scripts. Detailed web and PDF report. Here is a visual representation of system functionality. Obfuscated firmware support. Unique file system unpacking. Static and code analysis. Report generation. Here is a small demo of the firmware binary extraction in action. Static and code analysis findings. Configuration files. Hard-coded email addresses. Obsolete functions. Database files. Miscellaneous binaries. Hard-coded passwords. Executables. Backdoors. Path to shell scripts. Here are some packages for Feast software as a service deployment. Feast competitive advantage. Indigenously developed. Standalone toolkit extraction, unpacking, and analysis. Enhanced file system support encrypted, obfuscated, and unique. Cross-vendor support. Time efficient. Detailed vulnerability scan report. Compatible and interoperable. Stable and reliable. The targeted sectors of Feast are military, banking, commercial, industrial, and communication. The following is the expected Feast market potential. Financial model. Technologies used are Django, Python, C++, and some firmware extraction components. Quality and application of technology. Basic bug and scalability testing has been performed in lab. Next phase, submitted to NCCS for further QA testing. Prototype/product will be considered for evaluation by NTISP for certification. Product documentations are ready and available to users. User manuals, technical manuals, SRS documents, and architecture diagrams are ready. Project showcasing to COIS. Gold Award at Pasha 2022. Here are the key takeaways. Firmware binary extraction from device. File system extraction from binary firmware images. Security list, hidden backdoors, third-party libraries, hard-coded URLs, hard-coded emails, web servers, DB files. Cryptographic analysis.